Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to connect your Roku device to Wi-Fi step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Turn on your Roku device. Begin by powering on your Roku device and your TV. Make sure your Roku is properly plugged in and your TV is set to the correct input source. Step 2. Navigate to the home screen. Once your Roku is on, you will see the home screen. If you're not automatically directed there, press the home button on your Roku remote. Step 3. Access the settings menu. Using your remote, scroll down and select Settings from the menu on the left side of the screen. Step 4. Select Network. In the Settings menu, scroll down and choose Network. This will take you to the network settings for your Roku. Step 5. Choose Setup Connection. Next, select Setup Connection. You will be prompted to choose between a wired or wireless connection. For this guide, select Wireless. Step 6. Scan for available networks. Your Roku device will now scan for available Wi-Fi networks. Wait a moment for the scan to complete. Step 7. Select your Wi-Fi network. Once the list of available networks appears, find and select your Wi-Fi network from the list. Step 8. Enter your Wi-Fi password. After selecting your network, you will be prompted to enter your Wi-Fi password. Use the on-screen keyboard to input your password carefully. Step 9. Connect to Wi-Fi. Once you've entered the password, select Connect. Your Roku will attempt to connect to the network. If successful, you will see a confirmation message. Step 10. Check connection status. You can check your connection status by going back to the network settings. This will confirm that your Roku is now connected to Wi-Fi. Now you're all set to start streaming your favorite shows and movies on Roku. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.